guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a video on how to take care of your color treated hair. And who better to ask for color treated hair advice than me, who's been dyeing my hair for 9 years. So basically, a little background story on me. I've been basically bleaching my hair since I was 10 years old. My hair is naturally like this brown color you see up here. My hair is like an ombre balayage kind of thing. It's not like I don't do that anymore. It was really damaging, and I was finding my hair was thinning super quick. My hair was like really thin, dry, and it would never grow past like a length of like here. It would just never grow past that length. So today's video, I'm going to be sharing my tips and tricks with how to keep your color treated hair nice and healthy, long, and not damaged and dead. So if you're interested, then just keep on watching. So I guess first I'll start off with what I use in the shower to shampoo and condition my hair. For shampoo and conditioner, I don't actually use anything special. I just use these two Anecto Naturals coconut shampoo conditioner right here. So this is what they look like. They're just basically drugstore shampoo conditioner. What I really like about these though is that they're 90% natural, and also my hair type is pretty oily. It's difficult for me. I found it very difficult for me to take care of my hair because my natural hair, like my roots, are always really oily, but the blonde pieces at the end of my hair are very dry. So I find like I need to wash my hair every day to shampoo it and like get rid of the oils, but the ends of my hair can get super dry. And I feel like that's maybe the issue with a lot of people dyeing their hair. So hopefully I can give you some tips on how to fix that. But basically, this shampoo is super good. It's 90% natural. I don't find that it really dries out the blonde ends of my hair, but it does get rid of all the oil in my roots. I find that it doesn't really affect any of my color treated hair. Like, it never really washes out the blonde in my hair or like affects it in any way. I find like this works well with my colored hair. This conditioner especially is super good for making your ends more soft and not so dry and brittle. So this one's really good. I like to leave this conditioner on for usually a couple minutes in the shower, and it does a really great job. But because I do have oily hair, I only do really condition my hair like every other shower because my hair is so oily. So I do use the shampoo every single time I shower. Really good for getting that oily, greasy mess away. Also, I think they're relatively cheap, like not too expensive like most hair stuff at the drugstore for like color treated hair, which can usually be more on the pricey side. So this next product here is honestly a lifesaver. I don't know what I would do without it. If you have blonde hair, you need this product in your life. I swear it will change the hair game for you forever. You will never go back. If you're someone who doesn't like to have that yellowy, brassy kind of hair color, I would definitely recommend this shampoo right here. It's the Barcelona Toning Shampoo, and it is purple, like really purple. I don't know, like it's really purple. So like you definitely don't want to leave this on your hair or your hands too long. It will definitely dye it. I've never had an issue with this turning my hair purpley or anything like that, but let me tell you, the toning job this shampoo does is literally salon level. It is so amazing. I've never found a shampoo that does a better job at toning. I find this is honestly equivalent to like a trip to the hair salon, like getting my hair toned. It is more on the pricey side, but if you are someone who really doesn't like that brassy, yellowy kind of blonde, then I would just 10 out of 10 definitely recommend this. And also really good for my oily hair. When I use just this alone sometimes, it gets all the oil out. And I use this purple shampoo probably every other wash. Sometimes when it's been a while since I went to the hair salon and the toning maybe isn't being as effective as it should because my hair is like really brassy, then I'll use it every time. It's just when you just freshly get your hair done, I'd probably recommend not using this. Like if you just got it toned, then if like at a salon, it really shouldn't be needed. But after maybe like, I don't know, a few weeks, and I would definitely probably start using this like every other shower, and then eventually just every shower up until I go to the hair salon again for like a touch up. Where'd my conditioner go? Okay, so I'm back with my hair treatment that I use. I probably use this every other shower. And this is just another drugstore hair treatment, like a hair mask, but it works wonders on my hair. This is the Garnier Whole Blends Nourishing Rinse Out Mask, and it's in avocado oil and shea butter. So this is what it claims to do. Our luscious and rich creamy formula blooms with a comforting fragrance of avocado oil and shea butter, bringing to life our wholesome care that deeply replenishes hair with healthy, supple bounce and shine. So I would say that's pretty close to what it does. It makes my hair shinier. I only put this on the ends of my hair that are, or the bits that are blonde. But basically, yeah, I put this on my blonde ends of my hair and it makes my hair so smooth. It honestly makes the two textures of my hair match, I would say, because I'm using like the oil removing stuff on my roots and I use more nourishing, moisturizing things on my blonde hair to kind of make it match. And I think that was the issue with my hair before, when my hair was really thin and damaged. I was just using shampoo for oily hair on the daily and I wasn't using conditioner and I wasn't using any hair masks to basically replenish the oils that I was removing from my color treated hair that was already so damaged. So now I basically, in my routines, I always make sure to treat my natural hair and my color treated hair differently because like they're obviously very different textures. This is obviously like color treated, so it's already damaged, so you really want to make sure to keep it healthy and basically be like replenishing all like the oils you're removing. But yeah, so this smells so good. That's kind of what it looks like. But I do use this every other shower and this is really good. I would also highly recommend this product. And it's also cheap. I think it's just from the drugstore also. So that's pretty much all I use on my hair in the shower. I use my purple shampoo every other time. I use the shampoo conditioner from the Inecto brand every time I shower. So I guess now I'll move on to things I used on my hair after my shower. So the first product would be this one right here. This is something I just add on to the ends of my hair if maybe and my color treated ends are looking a bit dry and frizzy. Then I like to put this Moroccan Oil Treatment right here. I like to put this onto the ends of my hair just to give it a bit more shine and life back into it. This is what this one says it claims to do. A unique ultralight formula rich in antioxidant argan oil that instantly absorbs into hair to immediately enhance manageability, shine, and deliver long-term conditioning without leaving residue. Which is really good for me because I do have pretty thin hair, so when treatments and stuff like oils leave residue in my hair, it can just make it look really greasy and oily for me. So I found this to be really good. You also have to be careful with some oils because some oils can actually be causing your blonde hair to turn more brassy and yellow. I haven't found any issues with this, but I usually only use this if I'm noticing my hair, my color treated hair is looking extra dry. I don't usually use this on the daily. It's more like a pick-me-up to add a little bit of extra shine and conditioning to the ends of my hair. So this next product I'm going to be talking about today here, I think is the reason why my hair has transformed from what it used to be, and I think this has turned my hair into a more thicker, longer, more voluminous, just better hair overall. And this is the Revlon Professional Unique One All-in-One Coconut Hair Treatment. So this is what it looks like, and oh my gosh, this is basically just like heaven in a bottle. So this product claims to have 10 real benefits and it's supposed to be like all in one, all these benefits all in this one product right here. So these are the 10 benefits it claims it does. And I can honestly say I think it does every one of these things. It smells so good. Like it literally smells like coconuts. And this has completely transformed my hair. I usually spray this all over the ends of my hair, like well, pretty much from here down. I don't like to put this in my roots because like that kind of just weighs it down. But I went through this product multiple times and I apply this every time I get out of the shower. I have noticed great results. I've noticed my hair has been growing longer. My ends haven't been splitting as much. And I think that's why my hair is growing longer finally, because my ends are actually like staying together and not splitting. Does that even make sense? But basically like this product's just really good. It makes my hair super smooth, way easier to brush out. And like that's another issue is when I don't usually use like a detangler. So like when I'm brushing my hair, I'm like ripping out half of my hair, where when I use this, it makes it so much easier to brush through. Yeah, it's basically, if you're gonna take away any one product from this video, take away this product right here. I believe it's relatively cheap and it's also something that's pretty readily available. It's from Revlon, so I feel like that's a pretty popular like hair brand. It shouldn't be too hard to find. If you want to have longer, thicker, healthier looking hair, then this is what to get. So my final hair product I'm going to be talking about today is a heat protectant. So if you're someone who curls your hair, flat irons it, or blow dries it, or puts any kind of heat on it, this is a really good product to have. This is the Got to Be Guardian Angel Flat Iron Straightening Protectant right here. This is super good. This has a heat protectant of 425 degrees Fahrenheit or 220 degrees Celsius. So that is pretty hot. You should not be putting that amount of heat on your hair, but if you do, this is gonna protect it. It also smells good. Another tip that's really helped my hair start to finally grow and become more thicker and healthier is I actually don't use heat on my hair pretty much ever. I don't flat iron my hair. I do naturally have pretty straight hair though. I don't blow dry it. I always let it just naturally dry, but I do occasionally curl my hair. And I will make sure to put it at like a lower setting. My hair is pretty thin, so my hair usually does curl pretty easily. That could be another issue with why maybe your hair is really damaged if you have color treated hair. If you're someone who turns on your hair devices and puts them on full blast on like the highest setting they can go, that can also be very damaging. Unless you have like super thick hair, you should not be using like 400 degrees Fahrenheit on your hair. But yeah, so this is just really good. I find that it protects my hair pretty good. Last but not least, I'm going to be talking about my hairbrush I use. So I use the Wet Brush Pro and it's in rose gold. Super cute, but this is really good for saving your hair. This brush is really good because when your hair is wet, it's actually at a more like vulnerable kind of texture. Like when you're brushing your hair when it's wet, it can be really easy to rip out. I don't know how to, does that even make sense? But basically like your hair is more breakable when it's wet and you just came out of the shower. So this brush is amazing to use when your hair is wet and when it's dry, obviously. It has, I think, wider bristles, so it doesn't really tug on your hair. I also like to use a wide tooth comb sometimes when my hair is wet just to get through the tangles. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I've been dyeing my hair for a long time and I can honestly say some of my biggest hair mistakes are basically not adding the hydration and moisture that I needed back in my ends when I was dyeing them, and they were just getting super dry and splitting. So now I do use those hair masks and hair treatments to bring more life back into it and more moisture. Also using like these good brushes right here to not be so rough with my hair and basically rip all of it out. Also using the least amount of heat on your hair as possible. I barely, once again, put any heat on my hair, which I think is also another reason why it looks a lot more healthier. There's not as many split ends because I'm not putting as much heat. And if you do use heat like every day, if you're someone like that, just don't forget to put on hair protectant, because honestly, like, just why not? If you have something out there to help protect your hair from the heat you're putting on it, just why not use it? So yeah, that's it for my video. I hope you enjoyed. If you learned at least one new tip, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And also subscribe and join my friend group. Like, hey, what's up? Subscribe and join the team. I post every Sunday. It's always a fun time here. I post about fitness, traveling, beauty, and all that fun stuff. So yeah, if you like this video, you'll probably like some of my other videos. But thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.